world of on-the-go filmmaking, you don't want to choose between bright enough and light enough.
Enter the Amaran Ace 25C.
I mean, check this out. For a quick and dirty little setup, this thing is lighting my whole couch.
This is a 25-watt full-color LED that fits in the palm of your hand, but it has a few tricks up its sleeve that make it more than just another pocket light. Because it's a go-anywhere, do-anything light, it's perfect for outdoor macro photography. Normally you'd use a strobe, but for me, I like having the ability to shoot photo and video. For video, you're going to need a constant light, which an on-camera flash isn't going to provide. I headed out into the woods to look for weird little things so I could put the Ace through its paces. I absolutely love a complete, well-thought-out kit, and this light doesn't disappoint. It comes with a cold shoe mount with threading on the bottom, a mini tripod, a honeycomb grid, a diffuser, charging cable, and a nice travel bag. The first thing you'll notice is the Ace lock. It's this quick-release mount that is surprisingly sturdy. When I'm moving fast between locations, being able to snap this onto a camera or a light stand without fumbling with screws is a massive time saver. It's also magnetic. Being able to slap this onto a fridge or a metal beam is ridiculously convenient. Plus it feels rugged, like it actually can survive a trip with me. Power-wise, it hits 25 watts normally, like what you see right here, but it has a boost mode that kicks it up to 32 watts when you need that extra punch. Whether I'm using it as a hair light for an interview or using the full RGB mode to add some flavor to a scene, the light is clean. And of course, it integrates perfectly with the Amaran app, so I can control it from my phone while it's mounted 8 feet away up on a stand. For as much as I'm outdoors, I'm often in low light, dense canopy environments, looking for all the small things. I need a light that's versatile enough to go in my backpack, but bright enough to take a macro shot and make it look professional. The battery life on this has been solid, about 70 minutes at full power, which is usually enough to get the shots that I need before moving on to the next spot. Is it the only light you'll ever need? No, but as a carry-everywhere tool for creators who value speed and color quality, the Ace 25C is a winner. It punches way above its weight. It has simplified my kit without sacrificing the look of my footage. Coming in just shy of $100, the Amaran Ace on its own is worth it. But add another 25 and you get a full kit that really completes the package.
If you're looking for a portable RGB light that actually has some throw, this is the one to get.
Bonita.